In the video titled, SJS Rana November 13th Sightings, the US Gov opens from longest shutdown follow-up on hate crimes on SJSRANA, Surinderjeet Singh Rana, SJS Rana, discusses a combination of global political events and personal safety concerns at his residence in Jaipur, India. Key topics covered. 1. US government reopening 154. SJS Rana reports on the ending of the longest US government shutdown in history, which he claims lasted over 40 days. Political commentary. He discusses the ongoing friction between Democrats and Republicans, suggesting that President Trump has been unfairly targeted by hoaxes and witch hunting. 243. Trade and tariffs. He touches upon the trade relationship between India and the US, stating that India has been ripping off the US with high tariffs, and that the Trump administration is pressuring India to reach a more equitable trade deal. 613. BRICS involvement. He suggests India's role in BRICS is a strategic move to undermine the US dollar. 802. 2. Personal security incidents, hate crimes. 121. A significant portion of the video is dedicated to documenting alleged harassment and physical threats by a neighbor. The incident. He describes an event on November 10th where a neighbor, whom he identifies as Akshi Agarwal, allegedly trespassed into his property, threatened to murder him and damaged his car. 1230. Police involvement. Rana shares footage and screenshots of his visit to the local Mahindra SEZ police station to file an official complaint. 1337. He explains that since he lives alone and follows a spiritual celibate lifestyle, he feels particularly vulnerable. 1840. Previous history. He notes this is the second major incident, with the first occurring on September 5th, where the same individual reportedly damaged his doorbell and blocked his gate. 1400. 3. Social commentary and predictions. 040. Celestial events. He mentions the departure of the comet C 2023-A3, Tsuchinshan Atlas, referred to as 32 Atlas, and its impact on cosmic alignment. 049. Exposing predators. Rana claims that his reporting aims to unmask predators, pedophiles and gangsters involved in sex trafficking and prostitution, which he asserts is rampant in his neighborhood and across India. 2435. Personal life. He briefly mentions a 40-day delay in the official paperwork for his new car and discusses ongoing renovations at his rooftop terrace. 1046. Visual documentation provided. The video includes several view graphs and CCTV clips. CCTV footage shows the neighbor's alleged aggressive behavior and the police investigation team visiting his residence on November 13, 1540. Documentation displays his police complaint receipts and SMS notifications from the authorities. 1352. Domestic life. Brief clips of him chilling with his cat Joy during the renovations. 32:18. Video URL. Link to youtube.be. YouTube video views will be stored in your YouTube history, and your data will be stored and used by YouTube according to its terms of service.